mag-spare tire ka, hindi ka nag-ambisyon, di ba? Kasi ikaw lang ready to serve.
And that's a default already. You don't need to say that you're ready to be president or take over anytime. Parang it's conduct unbecoming kasi may context of destabilization. May context na merong mass rallies trying to call for the resignation of the president. And so parang ang dating, masyado siyang quote-unquote, hindi ready, but atat. And it's not really a question of are you ready to be vice president eh. It should be a question of are you competent, are you accountable, are you clean, are you prepared to face the music, especially yung impeachment, yung confidential funds, hindi pa naman niya nasasagot yung mga ganong questions. So, ready for the president or ready for accountability?
If I may just correct,
Yes.
the impeachment, there was a ruling, you're a lawyer, there's an impeachment, there was a Supreme Court ruling on that, so hindi ko rin maintindihan, may isa na rin akong abogadong narinig na sinabi na deal with the issues of the impeachment. She dealt with it. In fact, she was willing to face the Senate. Unfortunately, the Senate ruled like that because of the Supreme Court. Ang
Pending yung
intervening
appeal.
mo.
May pending appeal.
Pending. So once
May
that
MR.
is settled, di ba, then kung gusto nyo mag-file uli. That is the work of democracy.
Yes. Well, I also have to clarify, no. Number one, it doesn't mean na may Supreme Court decision that we cannot question that she has not answered the substance
How can you
of the
answer
impeachment
Attorney
complaints.
Falsis? Tell me, how do you answer?
Well, she should
Outside
answer.
of the formal...
She should answer sino si Mary Grace Beatos.
But that is national security.
Eh bakit niya sinabi si Zaldico pina-imbestigan niya?
Oh,
Confidential fund.
Of course, that is
Bakit
national
sinabi
security
yun?
because you wanted to know what kind of corruption there is in
If
the
she can
Fed.
share that she used her confidential funds
No, that
for
is national
Zaldico,
security.
then
Read.
she should answer.
Read the joint
Sino
memorandum.
ang Mary Grace Beatos? Do you agree na shinare niya
pero
si
may
Zaldico?
tanong lang ako.
Do you
Do
agree?
I agree with what?
Do you
Pwede
agree that
magtanong?
it was proper for VP Sara to
Tawag
disclose
todo na
that she
to.
used her confidential funds to investigate Zaldico?
Teka muna, hindi tayo
Oh,
nasa...
bakit hindi niya i-disclose si
Teka muna.
Mary
But you
Grace
cannot,
Beatos?
you cannot release all the information because it borders
establish the
national
meaning of
security.
this. Ito.
Oh, ma'am, ano yun?
Hindi, gusto ko lang malaman na bakit sino po ba ang gusto niyong president?
Ay,
Kanino po ba kayo kay PBBM or kay... Hindi, gusto ko kasi...
ay,
hindi ko
iba kasi ang binoto kong presidente.
so
pero ang
wala sa
binoto
kanila.
kong vice
So
president.
parang fair ka lang for
Oo,
you.
oo, oo.
So parang in general.
At saka sa ligang
Hindi, kasi
batas ang
gusto ko rin
susundan
maintindihan.
natin.